Hello and welcome to another video here, a video tutorial for Digital Diamond Baseball. In this video, we're going to create our own league by pulling players over from libraries we already have installed on our system. So you can see right now I've got the 1980 and 1974 libraries installed. And what I'm going to do here is pull players from these libraries and put them onto a new library. So we'll create the new library and we'll just call it Fun League. And it's empty. And the first thing we need to do is create some teams. So I'm just going to create 4 teams here to be in my library. Here's team 1, team 2, team 3, and one more coming up, team 4. Now that I've got my teams, we're going to jump on over to the organization editor, and we're going to just go with one league, one division. Of course, you can do something much more interesting on your end, but we're just going to keep this simple for time reasons. So there's our new league with one division and our 4 teams. Now we need to put some players on our teams, and we're going to go over to the player editor to do that. In this video, we're going to be importing players from another library. And this has to be a library installed. Okay, so you have to install the library first. Let's start with 1974, and let's pick a team. I'll choose Atlanta. And then you can pick individual players here if you want, or you can select them all. I'm going to bring over all the players, and I'm going to put them on team 1 in my library. There you go. We just got a team that easily. Now let's grab another one. Let's grab Cincinnati. Let's grab the whole team, and let's put them on team 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to the 1980 library and grab LA and select all those players and put them on team 3. And then finally, we'll grab Philadelphia and put them on team 4. And you can see in just a few, select some players first. Just a few clicks, we now have 4 teams populated with players from other seasons that we have installed locally. The advantage of using installed libraries from our website is that you get the positional ratings, the custom ratings, range, arm, and such, which you wouldn't get if you had done this from layman. You get all the other stuff, splits and pitch counts, but you don't get the custom ratings. Okay, so we've got our team set up. We're going to need a schedule. So let's go over to the schedule editor, and we're going to generate one. This should be pretty simple. Let's have it start, let's have our library. It has 70s and 80 players. So let's do 1980 is fine. And we need to pick a number of intra-division series. I'm choosing 20. I want to get to 162 games. So say 25, almost there, 27, we're there. So now that we've got our games, we'll generate our schedule. We're all set there. And the last step here is going to be to not forget to generate our manager profiles. Okay, at this point, we are ready to play ball with our very quickly and very easily generated library from teams of libraries we already have installed. Cheers.